Hi, this is Peter Gertie, and I'm super excited to announce a new version of DashNex Pages platform. It's version 2.8.2, and we have some incredible updates inside of it. Now, we have done a lot of bug updates and tweaks and stuff like that, but I want to show you something that's cool, all right? So here are two things that I believe are super cool. Number one, we have added the fourth page option in the page creation screen, right? And this page option basically allows you to create custom redirects without using something like file or something like that. Like previously, every single time you had to kind of, open the redirect file, and then you needed to, update this URL with your URL and then copy and paste that in the blank page. No, you no longer need to do that. All you have to do is click the redirect page, click next, provide the name, provide description, and there are two types of redirects available. Redirects with custom scripts, that basically means that the redirect page is going to have all the scripts that you add in the website settings, such as Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, both triggered. However, if you set up custom script server side, then you can just select 301 or 302, and there won't be any tracking or anything like that, right? So normally you would use this script with custom script side, so you can actually track the clicks and see the results in the in the analytics. So if I'm creating a page now like this, description, whatever, right? And then we type in, let's say, DashNex.com. We click to the next step. Here we can add some extra scripts if we want to, right? So we can, place some stuff if we want to here, but we don't need to do it. And then we just click next, and we can provide the name whatever we want, right? Whatever redirect, right? And we click save, and now the redirect is created. And if we click this, it's going to load. And that's it, right? Now you saw there is a link at the top, and this is because it's loading all the scripts in there. Now if you switch this to the without custom scripts, right? And then you click here directly and say publish, it's going to be much faster redirect. So you will just click it and it will just take you directly to the pages you just saw, right? Now, this feature solves an enormous problem for you, because normally when you are building websites, you need to set up some kind of redirects that are related to that website or to that particular business that you are running. And so what I have been using for ages is something like ClickMeter, which is an extra service, and you would pay, $99 per month, and there are different levels and stuff like that. And you would need to set up a different domain here and configure everything. And then, if you stop paying them, then basically, you lose your links and stuff like that. And it's a lot of hassle, right? Whereas here right now, if you have a website, you can just create a redirect link on the same website with the same domain, with no extra files or anything that are required, right? So it's pretty cool. It makes it very, very easy. So you just click add page, set up a redirect page, and boom, choose which type of redirect you want, and you can start to do the redirect, right? Now, the second thing that we have improved is we have improved the blank page option. Like previously, when you opened the blank page, it was just big chunk of code in a single space, right? But right now, as you can see, we have divided this in two parts. We have the header function, and those are the things that are between the head tags, right? And so as you can see, there is normally you would have all the meta properties like descriptions, titles, and stuff like that. And then you have the body sort of part, right, which is enclosed between body tags, right? And so you can put them separately, and this helps you to manage where, for example, if you have a script that you need to add, for example, at the top inside of the header, then you don't no longer need to search the whole thing and think, okay, where is this head tag or anything like that. You can just come here, and paste the script there, and that's it, right? And so it makes it, again, it makes it very simple, very easy for anyone to create a blank page option and just use that, right? Now, a couple of other features that we have implemented, let me just show you real quick. So let me just edit this page right now, and if you look here, so we have the thank you page here. And if we scroll at the thank you page, you can see that we have implemented this text background. So you can now select a different text background, different width, different color on the actual thank you page. So you can really do more customization for the thank you page itself to make it more the way how you need it, right? Also, we have removed, here there was a text optional for the button, so it's no longer optional. You have to provide some details there to make sure that the button is showing up on the page. We have improved the form validation, and there are just a bunch of different stuff that we have also improved inside of the sweepstakes, which is a different kind of setup. So there we have done a lot of improvements as well. And I'm not going to go through all of them right now or demonstrate all of them right now. But as you will start to work and will start to build pages, you will just start to notice different changes and things that can really help you to build a complete website. Our objective here at DashNex Pages is to make sure that when you create a website, you can literally create anything. I mean, anything, using the tools that we provide. Like right now, I know that, for example, Lead Pages, we have kind of the limited time template library and stuff like that. But there is much more coming down the line. We are now working on the easy opt-in as well, which is going to come out very soon, which is another powerful feature that you'll be able to use. So there's a lot of good stuff happening on DashNex Pages, and I highly recommend you use it. It's going to help you to make more money. That's it for this quick update. So I hope you are as excited as I am, and I'm looking forward to hear how you are using DashNex Pages and how it works for you. This is Peter Garrity. Bye for now.